Bonjour, this is Julien the Frenchman who makes French pronunciation videos here on YouTube, and we are looking at how to pronounce this female given name, this girl's first name of French origin. How do you say it? In France, in French, it is said as Marie, Marie, which is how you say Mary in French, and then Laure, Marie-Laure, Marie-Laure, Marie-Laure. It'd be fine to ignore the last E, and it's often the case when you just speak and say this name, Marie-Laure, Marie-Laure. In English, it'd be fine to say Marie-Laure, Marie-Laure, from French, Marie-Laure. And now you know it all. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting words and names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.